Salam everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope everyone is doing fine. So today I have a special guest, Sarah. Hi. She's my friend, y'all. So today we will be rating 5 best Somali YouTuber living in Malaysia.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and please, if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Let's get started.
Let's go.
So I have a list here for 5 best Somali YouTubers. So I'm gonna snap all their picture one by one, and my friend will be rating them. So the first one the first one I choose is King CK. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce your name correctly. I'm really sorry, because maybe those, I don't know this kind of, we don't have those names in our country, in Guinea, so sorry. So the first YouTuber I choose is King CK. I will snap his picture, and this is the guy. What do you think?
Well dressed, by the way. Okay. I can't really see his face very well here, but
let me show you another picture.
Okay. He's handsome. He look nice. Okay.
He look nice?
Yeah. And I think he looks like he's tall, and I love that when men are tall, because I'm also tall, so you can imagine. So this one,
from 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10, I will give him, let's see, 8.
8?
Yes.
8?
I will give him 8.
Alright.
CK. 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
So, let's move to the next
By the
one.
way, I'm not rating anyone. I'm married. I don't want to offend my husband, so she will be the one rating people.
Yeah.
Alright. The second one is Arima Henna. Hi, Arima. So
Hina.
sorry if I pronounce your name badly.
Is it
like
Hina or Henna?
I think it's Henna. Arima
Your
Henna. Yeah.
turn.
And he's very kind. I think I met
really?
him 2 times, and we did like some photo shoot. It was like one of our Somali friend. It was her birthday actually. So yeah,
Okay.
I met him.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
I'm gonna show you his picture. This is him.
Oh. Okay, I see you. Alright, and I can clearly see his face here.
Yeah, in the picture, right?
Yeah, in the picture.
So from 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10, basing on his beauty, I can give him also 8. I can also give him 8. Yeah. Because he's really handsome. Yeah.
Mashallah.
Yeah. I think he's more handsome than King CK. Yeah. Yeah. I will give him 8.
What's up, bro? Number 3. And number 3 there is Dersil Abdi. I don't know if that's the correct way to pronounce your name. Dersil Abdi. Let me find his picture. This is his picture.
Yeah. This one also, I can't really see his face on his picture, on this picture, because he has his
wearing
phone.
like
He has
hat.
his phone, and I don't know if you can see. Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna snap the picture
Yeah.
here, by the way.
So I don't know. I will give him 5. 5. Yeah, I will give him 5.
Alright, because we cannot really see his face.
Yeah.
And I don't know his Instagram, so yeah.
I don't know. I don't really know them. I am only rating them based on their pictures.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
So yeah, 5 for you.
5. Don't miss that. 5. 5 is better than 1.
Exactly. So that's number 3, right?
Yeah.
So we have number 4, which is Rage Abdi. This is him.
Okay. A muscular one.
She's crazy. I swear she's crazy.
He looks nice also.
Yeah.
I think he looks like he always going to the gym. Guys, you have to stay healthy. You men out there, stay healthy, please. So we can carry. You can carry us.
Your
when
wife.
we are, yeah.
know?
So please go to the gym. Please don't be lazy. Okay, this one. Yeah, his face is also really nice. So
Right.
yeah, I will give him 5.5.
5.5.
Yeah.
All right.
5.5.
Not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah. So
So,
let's
yeah.
go to the next one. The last one.
The last one.
Yeah.
So the last one is my favorite because you guys know already. His name is, let's give a clap, Brother Asad Hagio. I think you know him, right?
Brother Asad, I like your name. Asad.
Let me find his picture. This is him.
Okay. Oh my
I
god.
think she's about to say something, but I
Oh
will
my
just
god.
keep quiet, you know?
No, I will not say something else. Okay. Brother Asad, wow, I really like you. I can say that. Wow, I really like. Based on this picture, and also I saw one of your video with my cousin, and in that video I can see that you looks like someone who is very funny, and I like that kind of person. So
Exactly.
you are funny, your face looks very nice, and I think you are very kind also because
Definitely.
my cousin always tell me about what you did for her, and I also so right now I will give you 9.5. Yeah, you are my favorite. Yeah,
Brother Asad, you have
my favorite.
a girlfriend here. You know, this guy, he always tell me that I'm single. So today, guess what? I have someone for you. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys
Enjoyed the video.
I'm so sorry. Sorry for the noise. I have one of my friend here talking on the phone.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and we are going to a restaurant right now to have dinner and do some jalan.
Yeah.
I might record some video and post here, and yeah, thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Your last word.
I'm looking forward to meet you.
All right.
Please let's share this video so he will see it,
Exactly.
and we'll see what his reaction will be. So please share it.
Share.
Tag him on this video. Tag him.
So yeah, guys.